Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Had quite a few questions on this one, and rightfully so. A pretty crazy day the past couple of days. So more so questions. Hey, Clay, where could this thing potentially bottom out? Or in other words, from a technical point of view, where are some potential areas of support? And given that this is down at, I think, all-time lows. Yeah, given that this is essentially down at all-time lows, that's where we're going to have to pull out a tool that gets used once in a while called Fibonacci extensions. And before I do this, just full disclosure, this is not like some sort of magic tool where it's for sure going to, bounce from these levels. Nothing like that. I always like to use the example. It's kind of like a flashlight to help you in the woods. It'll help you see, but that's just because you have a flashlight in the woods that you're not guaranteed to, not fall off a cliff. That's still a potential. So none of this is a guarantee, but it's just a tool to help, like I said, gauge where some next potential areas of support may be. So, whoops, let me move there we go. Grab the wrong tool. Here we go. So where are some next potential areas of support at? Well, let's get this into play here. So again, just reiterating this, none of these are written in blood, but next potential bounce point, and this is just how has the price moved in the past, and then projecting that forward right down here around $4.33. So, would I be shocked to see the price consolidate and potentially bounce from that area? No, that would not be shocking at all. But unfortunately, the market is not that easy, and I can't sit here and say that, well, because the extensions say it's at 433, then it will 100% for sure bounce from that point. If only the markets were that easy. Now, again, would I be shocked? Would it be surprising? No, it wouldn't. But 433, next area of support. And then after 433, if that level can't hold, especially if it kind of consolidates above there a little bit and then breaks down, things could get that much more nasty, as according to the extensions, next level, not until right around $3.15. Again, this is just taking how the price has acted in the past and then projecting that forward. So 433, though, near-term level after that. And again, I should note that if 433 is broken, I'm not saying that within like 15 minutes the price is going to be at 315. It could very well be just a continued slow, steady drift to the downside until, that potential, buyers may start to step up there. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, very straightforward at this point. It's all about the purple line there, the famous 50-day simple moving average. You can see that ever since the price broke below it, there's been several times where the bulls have tried to get up through there and just on several, occasions have, just been rejected by it. But as things stand right now, breaking levels of resistance, not even close to the top priority list. Right now, top priority is just stabilizing the price and starting to get some sort of sideways action. So it'll be interesting to see how this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.